Today I'm at Johnson. It's October 2022, and I'm going to do a little side-by-side sound comparison of the metronomes they have. So we're going to start with this Korg, which is a metronome tuner. And what I found is that you can either do beat or rhythm. So you can't do subdivisions unless you don't have the time signature. So this is what it sounds like. Ready? Start, stop. Okay, so that's Korg. Now Intelli is another maker that makes a very similar one, and they have the same limitation. This sound just drives me nuts. It's like an insect smooching. I don't like it at all. You can't also do the beat and the rhythm at the same time. So the rhythm sound, you have to push all the way through, and then you can get the rhythms. Okay, and you have to turn it off to get it to stop, whereas on this one you just push stop. All right, a very basic one, which only does intervals like that, is right here, and it sounds like this, which is a more pleasing sound for sure, but very limited use. Doesn't have a tuner. I guess that's a different sound if you have a beat option. It does do, I'm wrong, it does do an A at the bottom here, but you can't adjust the frequency. All right, okay. This one is super silly and fun because it looks a lot like this one. So this is one like Beethoven might have had. You have to wind it to get it to work like an old grandfather clock. But it can be fun. Obviously no subdivisions and less consistent rhythm, actual pulse. All right, this is what this one sounds like. I love this sound. And you can change the sound here. Cowbell bell. Kind of digital, alien, I don't know, mechanical sort of thing. And then also it does a sort of wooden sound. You can see the lights are cool. Those are useful. And then the one that I like the most, if you drop, the only thing is it runs on 9-volt instead of AAAs. The other ones mostly run on AAAs. Is this one because I like the sound, and I like that you can do the time signature here with the beat, and you can do subdivisions, and you can use it as a tuner. You can set it to 440. Sorry, that's loud. And it has an adjustment for the sound, for the volume over here. You can also hook it up to your stereo. So, yeah. So, if you need an analog metronome, which you do, because we shouldn't all be so reliant on our phones, then get that one.